This is the Ira elevator at the Hampton Inn and Suites at I-75 and Fletcher Avenue in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 4. There's another elevator on the opposite side of the hotel. So, the other elevator has a very interesting down chime, but on this one they just disabled it. Here is your inspection certificate, your emergency phone, which is 980 compliant. Here's your cab view, pretty basic cab. Again, Series 1 fixtures. Let's go 4. These are newer Series 1. So I'm not sure when these elevators in the hotel were installed, but I'm guessing that it was probably around 2000, give or take 5 years. But who knows? Regardless, these elevators aren't very old. There's no like interlock I can check. You know, see like the date. But I'll look it up. I'll look up when this hotel was built. It's still Series 1, so you should probably know when this elevator is from. Again, as I said, 2000, give or take 5 years. Alright, there it goes. And that'll be it.